Hey everybody, it's Mike from Landon Custom Classics here. Got a cool new toy to show you guys. It's from MHPOWOS. They do solar and the battery charger, or like power solar generator type stuff, things like that. Let's pop this open and see what we got in here. So this is a nice compact solar panel. It puts out 20 volts, 110 watts, runs maximum power 20 volt, maximum current 5.5 amps. The solar energy conversion rate is 23.5, which is pretty good. You open this little pocket here. I'll get a little closer so you see a little better. And it has your cables here, your positive and negative. Then it has this adapter cable. If you want, you can hook this up to your solar, your charge controller, and run your stuff that way. Or if you have one of those cool little solar generators, power banks, whatever you want to call it, there's 100 different names for them. You hook your positive and negative up to these, and it has all these different deals to plug into your little solar power bank to charge it. I think this is the one that I ordered, the Blue Eddy. I believe that's the one it uses. But yeah, it has 6 different ends here. And it took me a while to get this video done because I was trying to figure out how I could work this to hook up to the solar system I have on my trailer to do a video. And then I decided I was just going to buy one of the power banks. So my little 1,000-watt Blue Eddy solar power bank thing is coming in the mail today. And we're going to use that to do some videos with this. I'm going to start doing some off-the-grid stuff. Want to use this to charge my electric bike, things like that. So I can show you how to do some cool off-the-grid stuff. Also, this has a little Velcro here. And these, there's like a little kickstand, so you can prop it up. Has one on both sides. There you go. So we'll set her up here. Pull this little Velcro on the top. Fold this baby out. Pretty cool looking, right? And we'll set it down here. Probably have to get the camera. Put our kickstands out here. Okay. So there it is. All set up with the kickstands out. Pretty neat little setup. Only takes a couple seconds to set up. They didn't even include instructions with it. So that simple. They're just like, anybody can figure this out. You flip that up. Flip it. Grip it. Get the weed off of it. Ready to go. So we're going to do more to this video once my power bank gets here. So stay tuned. Don't leave, guys. And as soon as they drop it off, we'll get this video going. Okay, everybody. We're back. We got our MHPOWOS solar panel. We got her set up to where she's pointed at the best angle in the sun here on the back of my 62 T-Bird. We got our Blue Eddy solar power generator thing all set up now. We got a million different names for these things. Okay, now I got my GoPro out because they do have a phone app that totally runs this thing. And we see right here, this thing's rated at 110 watts right now with the sun the way it is. We got 75 watts currently. And we can go on here and control everything. We can turn on our AC power, all that fun stuff. And there, see, our AC button come on. You can also push this button, see it right there, boom. A little glare here. We're showing 74 to 76 on the charging there. This was at 57 or 56% when I just plugged this in a minute ago, and it's already up 57. So that's cool. Now, one of the main things I want to be able to achieve with this solar setup, I want to go up camping, hiking, stuff like that. And with this, I can bring my Starlink and we can live stream up on the mountain, or I can use it to upload videos, whatever. Big thing, I got my electric bike now, so I can go up and explore in the mountains. And with this solar panel and this new solar generator setup, we can charge our phones, we can charge our GoPros, we can charge my drone, we can charge the electric bike, we can run appliances. Like I say, this thing you can kick into a mode to where it'll go from 1,000 watt up to 2,000 watt output. So real quick, let's plug in this electric bike charger here and get it going here. So that's on. That's on. We got a red light, we're charging, and it says we're using, let's see if you guys can see that, we're using 305 watts to currently charge the bicycle, and we got 74 watts input, so we are going to be draining some power, but as long as our battery holds out, we'll be doing good here. But yeah, I think we got a pretty good setup here. And like I say, I'm going to be able to charge this bike not only for free, but we're going to be able to charge it in remote locations, stuff like that. I'd like to give a huge shout out to the people at MHPOWOS. Go check them out. I'm going to put their link in the description. They have a lot of great products. They also have some of these solar generators on their site. But yeah, I had to get this purchased so I had something I could plug this into to do a demonstration. I appreciate y'all tuning in. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Love y'all.